Hello, my name is Lori Spensieri, and I have a YouTube channel called The Lori Show. Welcome, I'm so glad to have you here. I'm spreading positivity and all things happy in order to help others live their best lives. Join me on my journey to riches, where I'll be using many tips and tricks that I've learned about the law of attraction in order to manifest the best life that I can and to prepare me for my journey. If you feel intrigued by anything that you've heard today or anything at all that you've seen, please click the thumbs up button and also subscribe. This will help me a lot. The first thing I wanted to share today is a collection of books that I've read so far on my way to riches. The first one is called The Secret by Rhonda Byrnes. Please watch the film as well. It's really great. It's on Netflix as well. It's a great introduction to the entire concept of transmutation and visualization. Next is a book called Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. There's an awesome workbook that also accompanies it, and I'll show you an image of that. The Masterkey System by Charles Haanel is the third book, and it is discussed in The Secret as well. And it's the book that has the affirmations that Rhonda Byrne mentions. Number 4 is Feeling is the Secret by Neville Goddard. And last but not least is number 5, Use the Force, A Jedi's Guide to the Law of Attraction by Joshua P. Warren. Now, to take action, I recommend this book called The Magic by Rhonda Byrne as well. She gives you a daily plan. She'll tell you exactly what to do day by day to create a sense of faith in the law of attraction and your ability to use it. Also, my new book is coming out in about a month, and I'll share more about this soon, but it will be a tool that can be used to manifest more happiness in one's life day by day. Okay, so my progress so far. So far, I've been using this card in order to be more clear on what I want to manifest. It works as a reminder to stay on track. I have a diagnosis of ADHD, so this helps me focus. I will discuss my experience with medication and how it has affected my use of the law of attraction as well. The next was that I use this card as a positive affirmation to communicate to my subconscious mind. I also use a self hypnosis by Jake Ducey, and a thing called Sliding by Aaron Dowdy. And in the video by Sri Akarshana, he told us about 3 experiments that you can do that prove that the law of attraction is working in your life. The 3 experiments include, number 1, to attract some form of money or coin, etc. Number 2 is to attract an opportunity, and number 3 is to attract some kind of specific animal or symbol. So I've attracted 2 quarters, a series of opportunities, and I'll discuss this in the next video. And I've seen a butterfly, which is what I intended. Lastly, here is my most recent epiphany, is that I think I'm supposed to be working more closely with my twin sister in life and in business. We share an amazing, strong exchange of energy. We can create things together that we cannot do alone separately. I want to share also, lastly, was my experience with some synchronicity that's quite startling. I just started watching videos by Leora Alexander. She's beautiful and so in tune with the universe. Her following is referred to as Baby Elephant Community. I have been seeing baby elephants everywhere. My mom gave me this card randomly. Then I received this toy in a surprise bag on Chinese New Year Day. These synchronicities are signs to me that I'm on the right path. They're little sprinklings of messages from the universe that I should continue in the direction I am going, like dropping little clues. Okay, so I'm gonna keep watching for these signs. I want to confess that I've told you before in previous videos that I do suffer from social anxiety and generalized anxiety. I experience bouts of ADHD and OCD. The worst is my depression that I experienced upon having early signs of my social anxiety. All I saw was that I was different and from other people, and I didn't fit in. I now realize that different is beautiful and desirable. And as a teenager, though, this can feel like a social death sentence. So 10 ways that I'm different that are great. Number 1, I love Cabbage Patch dolls, llamas, and unicorns. Number 2, I love to play Minecraft with my son Matthew. He's 6 years old. Number 3, I have an identical twin sister. Number 4, I have green eyes. Number 5, my favorite color is turquoise. Number 6, I love all things happy and positive. Number 7, I love doing laundry. Number 8 is I love solving math and logic problems. Well, thank you so much for watching my videos. I'm grateful for every single one of you. So without you, I'm just talking to myself. And which would be sad. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget to be very positive. Okay, thank you so much. Signing out, it's Lori. Be positive.